Hey, this is Joe Hill from Downright Management. We're going to do a quick video tutorial. We're in bedroom, what they consider bedroom number 1. So this is the remote control that's used down here. We're at Knotty Pine, and we're going to do a quick video tutorial. So we're using a dish network setup down here. In order to turn on the television, it's easiest just to go onto the right-hand side. Down the very bottom is the power button. And what you're going to want to be able to utilize is the remote, which is the dish remote. On the right-hand side, we have the guide button, which will allow us to go to the guide that dish has. Now, there's also another option where you can push the menu button. And under the menu button, it's going to allow us to go to a few other options. Netflix. It should also have under the apps, it'll probably end up having the ability to go to YouTube, for instance. Or, for instance, if it's not functioning and the satellite happens to be off and non-functioning due to some inclement weather, you do have a DVR feature. So we have a whole slew of movies and information available for you guys to watch. Just use the arrow keys to scroll down. So if you have any questions related to the operation of the Dish Network at Knotty Pine, you can reach us. It's 208-634-0030. Cheers and have a great time at Knotty Pine in McCall.